Can 2 plus 2 actually equal 5? I am going to break the laws of math right before your eyes, and I guarantee you won't spot the error. Take a second. Do you think it is impossible? Let us prove it. 2 plus 2 equals 5. We all agree that 0 equals 0. That is a universal fact, that 0 equals 0. We all agree with that. Now, since 20 minus 20 is equal to 0, and 25 minus 25 is also equal 0, we can write it exactly like this. 20 minus 20 is 0. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. Let us factor the number 4. Open bracket 5 minus 5 equal to 5 minus 5. Now, let us factor the numbers. On the left, we pull out a 4. On the right, we pull out a 5. It is still perfectly balances, because 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 5 is also 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is also 25. It is perfectly still balances. Now, since we have 5 minus 5 on both sides, okay, we cancel them out, which leaves us with 4 equals 5. Okay, now since 4 is just 2 plus 2, we officially proven that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. But wait, this looks perfect, but it is actually a massive trap. This is where most of people go completely wrong. Look at what we cancel. This and this. 5 minus 5 is exactly 0. When we cancelled it, we actually divided both sides by 0. In mathematics, dividing by 0 is completely impossible. It breaks the universe. The entire proof is a trick. This is the correct answer. The trick was hiding a 0. So, why it makes a great magic trick to confuse your friends? The laws of math remain unbroken. Okay? Did you fall for the trap? If this trap melted your brain, even just a little bit, subscribe to M-Muak Academy. We make a math make sense. One step at a time. See you in the next